Okay, so a lot of people ask me, Mohamad, I need to buy a new home. And that's a great decision. I always tell them, okay, yeah, good, let's just go for it. There is the pros and cons when you're buying a new construction home. Number one, the house might be ready. Might take, they say 3 months, 6 months, it might take a year. Because the shortage right now in the materials and the laborers, it's really making it hard for the builder to fulfill their promises and get the houses ready for the buyers. So if you are not in a rush, that probably would not be an issue for you. And the second, which is really important, people don't realize, most of the new homes has something called Mello Roos, and that's additional taxes on the property, and sometimes those could be really expensive. I see Mello Roos when it is extra $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 a month, and they've seen more and they've seen less. And people usually get to the house, and then after they move in, they realize all those taxes and they were very shocked. So that's something probably you need to take into consideration as cons. But for pro, it's actually you're getting a new home. You are the first one to live in it. And of course, all the street, the lighting, and all those amenities, it's gonna be in a great condition for you and your family to enjoy. So that's my opinion about it. And I recommend it? If you are okay with the bonds, which is the special assessment, the Mello Roos, then yeah, go for it. And in addition to the Mello Roos, most of the time there is going to be HOA fees, and depends on the community, that could range between $200 to $500, sometime more, sometime less. So if you feel comfortable doing this, it's always a good decision to buy a new house if you are okay with the special assessment, which is the Mello Roos, and the HOA fees.